Welcome to another week of the Upnlive show. I'm your girl Dilka Brownrass, Dragon All Star on the wheels of steels, and we are the Upnlive show here on TGM Radio every Tuesday between 9 and 11. We're sponsored by Shish Prince and we are produced by World Mag. And as per usual, if you're with us every week, you know that we bring you a special guest who shares some information and some insight and some things along their musical journey. And like no other, we have a special guest who goes by the name of Crossblood, who is sitting in our hot seat. He's going to be chatting to us very, very shortly. Uncle Ivan, you ready? Cool. Crossblood, welcome to the Upnlive show. How are you?
Thank you for having me.
Yeah.
I'm fine, doing okay.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm well. How are you doing during the coronavirus COVID situation?
I'm good, you know.
You and the family are good?
Yeah, man. Just making music.
So everybody can see. No, if anybody is on Crossblood's Instagram page or his social media pages, one will know that this man does not, and I repeat, does not sleep. What is
marathon? The man go with
what is the remedy or the recipe for whatever you eat or you drink to stay awake 24/7? Because
I don't drink alcohol like that.
That was a rhetorical question. Actually.
Water. Yeah.
So I wrong water. I drink
water.
Yeah, look so.
Cause
Jaja, I come like say at 12 o'clock. Come on, nowadays I sleep. You know?
Out.
Nah.
Lights out. Yes, but thank you for joining us in studio. Thank you for accepting the invitation to come and chat with us. Now, for those persons who don't know Crossblood, talk to us about who Crossblood is.
Well, I'm an upcoming artist from South London.
Mm-hmm.
I was born in Jamaica, when I was young, probably around age of 10, 11. Mm-hmm. And I've been here ever since. School, college.
Everything.
Everything. So.
And how have you been liking the transition? Well, you've been here for a while. How has the
basically you connect like your roots because you leave most of that behind you, coming from Jamaica such as a tender age, to adapt to the UK dance
lifestyle.
I think adapting to the UK wasn't that hard. I think when you're born in Jamaica, especially when you're born in the ghetto, everything at 4 years old.
Yeah.
You have to learn to do everything. So from 4 to 5 to 6.
Yeah.
You know, you're going to school, you're probably working, cutting stone, mixing cement, whatever it is.
Well
you know
prepared.
What I mean? So you're kind of prepared for the world, basically.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So I think the only thing I found difficult was kind of school and college and that. It's a bit different for me.
Different how, though?
People.
All right.
That's vague. Go into more details for us.
What the entire demographic of people or what?
I wasn't ready for school. I thought, like in Jamaica, kids are different.
Mm-hmm.
We're more active and different type of stuff, I got kicked out on the first day.
The first day.
Jaja.
I know it's bad.
You're not gonna say first day.
I know it's bad. I got kicked out on the first day for fighting.
No, spill it being weird. Just stop no random person or what them pick on.
No, it is. I think it was history. Was it history? Yeah, I think it was history. So I sat the first day, first class history, sit down in the chair. Like the teacher said, you can sit in that chair there. Sat in the chair, and then someone came in, and they literally just slapped me in the head.
Just like that?
Yeah.
You sure something wasn't on your head?
They just came in and said slapped me in the head and said, these Jamaicans, they think they run things or something like that.
Oh, so you know I will Jamaica have to defend this, so
Yeah.
And yourself you have to defend you have to defend the whole of
everybody.
Jamaica,
Yeah, everybody, you get me?
You just stop looking boy and
I feel like I get kicked out for the same thing.
Yeah, you don't get kicked out
definitely.
for less than that anyway.
Us Jamaica, we don't.
Yeah,
like, what?
We don't
really hit me.
We don't tolerate foolishness.
Yeah, we don't tolerate foolishness.
Right.
So I got kicked out for the.
So adapting, it was just the people that you found difficult adapting to.
Yeah.
Okay, so in what do you call it? Primary school, going up to secondary. Is it that that's when you found out that you loved music, or when were you introduced to it?
From I was 3.
Okay, talk to us about your journey.
My mom used to sing a lot.
Okay.
Like every day, constantly singing, DJing. So I got my inspiration off my mom. Even though we have musical family in our family, but I didn't really know of them until I probably got
older.
So everything's basically from my mum. Just DJing, watching her sing, listening to her sing and stuff like that. So I got inspired by that. And then all the kids around us and that in the neighborhood and that we all start DJing and trying to sing as well. So, you know, like, if you know Quadda,
Yes.
so that's my brother from my next mother, you get me?
Cool, no man.
So we all grew up together, eating at the same plate, clothes, everything,
Jamaican
you know what I mean?
style.
Yeah, Jamaican style.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's where the music thing comes from.
Okay. So does mom write music as well, or she just
She stopped.
she stopped?
Yeah, she
So
stopped.
you picked up that mantle. Okay. So you got the inspiration from her,
Yeah.
and that's where it started.
That's
So
where it
when
started
did you officially say, okay, this is what I'm going to do as a career?
When I came here, my dad introduced me to one of my cousins. I don't know if you ever heard of Corey Johnson and that.
Not personally, no.
Okay, so you know, I don't know if you ever seen Stylo G. When Stylo G's doing music, he's always in the studio like a big. Well, my cousin owns a building and that,
Okay.
so I got introduced to him.
Okay.
Then I got introduced to that's how I got introduced to Stylo,
Okay.
and I was young those times, about probably 15 when I got introduced to him. You know what I mean, so it kind of started from there.
Right.
But I didn't really release anything. The first official song I released was "Take Care."
Okay.
I think that's when I decided to start taking music seriously.
What prompted what was special about that track that prompted you to say, yeah, this me I gotta do?
I lost my nan and my uncle and a few of my cousins, and I ended up writing a song. So when I wrote the song, it was like people just like, bro, nah, cause you're wasting your talent. And I'm sorry to hear that, but it's deep. But this
Yeah.
song is deep. You need to.
So that gave you the motivation
And then
to do
I
it.
write what no was it No the Tingo? That one was a big one as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was good.
So we moved from writing music into studio. What
Yeah.
about performing? Did you start performing at that stage, or did it take a little longer to get on stage performing?
No, I've always been performing. Just little what do you call it? Little
What,
some little
open
things,
mics?
open mics
Right.
and stuff like that. And then we moved to bigger stuff, like O2, Brick Jam.
Okay.
The last big show I've done was I think it was BBC One, performing on the bus when they drive through the whole of London and that.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how was that experience for you?
That was mad.
Yeah. Was that, you say that was one of your biggest
Yeah,
events?
that's one of the biggest. Yeah. I wouldn't say O2 was bigger than that.
Then that,
that was like probably
because it's a
50.
smaller space and it's more intimate.
I hear me say something, and like a lot of young artists and a lot of upcoming artists take it for granted. You see, you talk about the open mic thing. Could you just tell the people what that done for you in terms of confidence? Because I go to open mic and I can see it's a very tough crowd.
Yeah,
A lot
it's
of
a
them.
tough
So
crowd. Yeah,
if you go there and do well,
yeah.
I think you will do well on a big platform.
stage. Yeah, that's true.
It does build your confidence, because if you can perform in just for those few people that's there,
And some
you
of
can-
them
you
are
can-
iron balloons where
and
they
some of them are
sit
some
and
of them
look in
are
your face.
hard to please.
Yeah,
You know what I'm
yeah,
saying?
yeah.
So yeah, if you can do that, it's a good thing, and it does build your platform as well.
Right,
Because
'cause
people do go to these things, and you never know who's there.
Who is in
Yeah,
the crowd?
yeah, yeah.
That's
Because I've
true.
meet tons of people from different record companies and stuff like that. I think, yeah, bro, I like your music. Your music is good. We like to work with you and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
But-
come like football and like when a scout goes
Yeah.
in the grassroots, go scout some player, yeah, like, yo, where this man get this player for like $1 million?
Yeah.
It's bad, you know. This man worth like 70 million, you know. It's like them thing there.
No, I wanted to do football as well, you know, but my dad said nah. I think I got picked to play for Man U.
Well,
Really?
yeah, ball at all.
Yeah, my dad said nah. 'cause I
Why
broke- I
why
broke
did he
my
say
leg.
no though? Oh, you okay?
Yeah, I broke my leg, and he was like, nah. He's like, no. So I spoke to them. They came to my house and they were explaining to him. They brought the contract and stuff. And I got my gear, big bag, night bag. Those times they had like that Beckham. I got remember that Beckham.
You know,
that
Beckham with his
red
yeah,
thing.
yeah, red thing.
Yeah, I got that shoes there, but he was like, nah.
He was adamant against
They
it.
still gave me the bag though and the shoes and stuff like that. Still, but
Safe
he
keeps.
weren't having it, bro.
Jaja.
So let's bring it forward. So quarantine has been happening,
Yeah.
or COVID has been happening, which resulted in us being on lockdown, and
Yeah.
you have been putting in a whole heap of work.
A lot of work.
Whole heap of work. So talk to us about the reasoning behind that work and what that work is.
Working on my EP, working on my album.
Mm-hmm.
But the thing is, like, I have so much music, cause me, I don't sleep. Like like in order to make something work, you have to put all your
Efforts
into it.
Mm-hmm.
So sleep, like you got 24 hours in a day, but you don't really get 24 hours in a day because you got work, you got kids, you got
So
family
much
stuff.
sleep
so
you get? I don't think you get more than 5.
I don't really get sleep, you know. My brother
Me tell
can
you,
tell
say
you.
the man on
I
Instagram
don't sleep, you know. I
24/7.
swear, like for the
Yo, cause some of the time, you know, like when me dey on Instagram, I go up on
You
the
just
man
pop
page.
up
Yeah.
Crossblood is
Yo, the
live.
man over there, man, I run a boat.
He ma cook
You know, him a whole a reason.
everything,
Some song I
babe.
play.
Everything.
Yeah, you know where the thing go.
yeah,
Everything.
no, that's the way, bro. I think you can't put half and half.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you have to
Don't
put
work.
100%.
You know what I mean? You have to put 100% in what you're doing. If you don't put 100%, it's not gonna work. It don't make no sense.
So okay, so let's go deep. Let's go specifically into the EP. What's the name of the EP? When's the release date?
The name of the EP is Born to Win.
Born to Win.
Yeah,
Going to be released.
today.
Today.
Yeah.
You know, saying that you're not a very good communicator.
Today. Well, it's supposed to release today, but it's not gonna come out until tomorrow.
So,
So
it's
what-
being
what- what-
pre-released today.
Yeah, so it's been
So
pre-released.
Officially
what's the
released.
flagship song on that EP that you're campaigning with?
You know what? I said to myself I wasn't gonna pick. I said I was gonna let you lot pick. Actually,
As in us, the Upnlive show
yeah,
to pick.
yeah.
Dragon answer.
You know me like that boss.
All right, go on with it.
I know you like top boss.
Go on with
That's
it.
what I put it on there.
Go on with it.
I
I
don't
just feel like Sam is a top boss. You know what the thing
Go,
go.
go on with it. Go on with it. Ladies and gentlemen, Top Boss by Crossblood from his upcoming EP, Born to Win.
Trying to style me, but you know that go. Say show,
Oh,
but
some different in here. You know what the thing go.
so anytime I fly at the first class, check out my clothes, check out my glass. Fresh pair of clocks, first class. Don't forget some of the top boss, the top boss.
Oh, you ever play that song one more time, you know that.
Trying to style me, but you know.
No, when you ever fly go somewhere in that first class and just sipping.
Show, but
Yeah, that's something there.
so anytime I fly at the first class, check out my clothes, check out my glass. Fresh pair of clocks, first class. Don't forget some of the top boss, the top boss. So anytime I fly at the first class, check out my clothes, check out my glass. Fresh pair of clocks, first class.
None wants to talent no people. Here we go on.
The top boss, the top boss. Switch it up. Top farm, top boy, first class, big money, top boss. No pagan can't style me, can't pour no liquor in my glass. I ain't a girl me date, first class. Down to the rug, the sheet, the bed, the first class. Check out the done, I'ma walk past. I'm here on the place, you know, off a art.
Never
You
selector.
know what the thing go.
That was
People is out today for
Yeah.
pre-ordering, so
yes.
you can go out and support the movement.
Yes.
Remember, said a song is cheaper than the COVID vaccine. We know for when I go buy. You can go out, go buy one song. You know what I mean?
A
That's something
true.
there.
A serious thing. A serious thing. Talk to us about the. So we've chosen our song,
Yeah.
right? What
Yeah.
is your favorite song on the EP, and why?
Top Boss is one of my favorite. But
No, you can't choose Top Boys.
Alright,
Sorry,
cool.
that's
That one-
that's
that one
off the
you take away,
list.
you know.
Alright,
That's
off the list.
ours.
Alright,
Yes.
Where I'm from.
Mm.
Yeah, where we from? That one, I think. Yeah,
And
and win.
What's the inspiration behind all of that? I mean, it's kind of self-explanatory, but
Just
coming from your perspective.
born in Jamaica, I'm born in the ghetto, and just transforming from there to here, and just trying to work around everything basically. So it's just giving you it's just like an inspiration to let people know. Look,
Doesn't
rather
matter.
you wash window for a living,
Doesn't matter.
sell in the market, it doesn't matter. You can always get somewhere else in life. Like never limit yourself basically. Yeah, that's what that one.
You know why I like that boss? Because you know, I feel like say you don't have a lot of dancehall artists who are going on some hip hop beats or doing like some cross fusion type music. And I feel like that wanna have that old
That
school
feel there.
authentic.
Yeah.
But now I thought the boodoo hip hop nowadays, you know.
Yeah.
The back in ideas when you have the West Coast, East Coast thing, you
Oh,
have
yeah,
Snooper,
yeah,
you know.
yeah,
You
yeah.
feel like that look vibe there. That little music there, you can me no smoke about just roll all that spliff.
Yeah.
Just pour some rain if I just roll that back. You know,
everyone likes
yeah.
that. I don't know. Everyone likes Top Boss, you know. Everybody like that song. Everyone that played it to you, sent it to you, like, yo, bro, this one, you gotta run with this. And then I send them something else like, yo, fam, what? Just send me one and that's it. Don't send me nothing more.
Yeah.
I can't.
Cause you flood people's
Yeah,
inboxes,
I
you
flood
know.
their inboxes.
So
you know what I mean?
and then which leads me to ask, what is your processing? So you write your music.
Yeah.
Do you don't do your own beats, do you?
my brother. And
Odin,
and my
big up
friend- and
yourself,
my
who is
friend.
behind the scenes.
Yeah.
Him look
But
very
he's the beat
scared.
maker.
Him look very scared when I call him a while ago.
That's what I'm saying. You have a
Right?
well-connected group.
Yeah, a well
Yeah.
set of well-talented people around you.
You know what?
So, go ahead.
I think I've worked with lots of people in the business, especially people that's like way up here, and you don't more time. I don't know if it's. I've never asked him, but to me, that's what I get. I've never asked him. Is like, what are you scared of me putting me on your platform, or are you scared of doing something? I don't know what it is, because most of the time I do something with an artist,
Yeah,
they will say I'm outshining them.
but that's
Well,
not none of your business. You're
But
here to work.
I'm here to. You told me to go hard on the track.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
going
yeah,
hard
yeah,
on the
yeah.
track. So it's like, even I've done I don't know if you know Tiana Bianca.
Nah.
I've done a couple tracks with her. We had a interview. I think she went on BBC One Extra, and everyone was on live, because we shaved to everyone, so the whole South London, South London, everyone, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
like,
everybody gets it.
Share the live and that. So it's like she went on the live now. I know she was a bit nervous and that. So
Yeah.
it's like, okay, you're featuring a track with someone, but I'm the main person that starts the track.
Right.
So when someone says to you, introduce a track,
Yeah.
you don't interject. You don't even introduce the main person on the track. You introduce
Yourself.
This is Tiana Bianca, Island Girl. Everyone start going mad now. Like, bro,
You the most of the song.
yeah, this shit.
It's your song
this
featuring
shit
her.
No, it's her song featuring me.
Okay.
But I'm the
Okay.
main person that starts a song. So if you don't, you have to hear me first.
Yeah,
before
yeah,
you
you hear
me
her.
thinking like, bro,
What's she on? Yeah.
what happened?
Yeah.
Like, I
Yeah.
was like, bro, please,
Feature normally come after that. That's why it's a feature. It's not a
that's feature.
collab.
It's not a collab. It's a
Yeah,
feature.
feature is normally like way down, like after
down.
the second verse.
But this track
somewhere in
was
the second-
different.
Yeah.
The track's
You
different.
started that track.
So
Right.
I think they misdo the credits or something for that track, because I don't think that qualify as a feature.
It doesn't. It doesn't qualify as a feature. But at the same time, if you're introducing a song,
You
all right,
introduce both artists that are listed on the track.
if it plays on the, if you're gonna play it on the radio,
Yeah.
you have Tiana Bianca
Featured.
and Crossblood or Tiana Bianca feature Crossblood.
Yeah.
It's not just Tiana Bianca,
Yeah.
Island Girl.
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying? So you have to say
Yeah,
the other
but
person that featured
but
on the
she
song.
said Tiana Bianca Island
Island
Girl.
Girl.
Oh, so she
everyone
kind
got-
of don't give you
everyone
no
got
credit.
upset.
So how did that make you feel in
It
that
didn't make me feel
situation?
no way.
Because
I
it's-
phoned her.
Yeah.
I know. Obviously, I know it differently.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
phoned
Yeah,
her. I
yeah,
said, "Listen, I know you was I know you was
in the moment
in the
kind
moment.
of thing, right?
You
Yeah,
was
yeah.
you was nervous and
Yeah,
that.
yeah,
So
yeah.
it's cool with me. So I'm saying,
Yeah.
she's like, "Oh yeah, I'm sorry." And I said, "Bro, you don't have to tell me sorry. Just
Yeah.
other people was getting a bit mad, like."
So
So
people
that's
guess
her
what it
to
was.
I
Yeah.
mean, do her homework, and
Yeah.
whenever she's going
He's
out.
like, "Yo, fam, wait, man, see her, man." Yeah. I'm like, "Nah, bro, just leave, because you're my friend, fam." So I'm
Yeah,
saying, she's
yeah, yeah.
nervous. It's a big platform. People
Yeah.
do get nervous. So I'm
Yeah.
saying, but yeah, stuff like that.
So we've spoken about EP Born to Win. Speak to us about the larger project, because we're not really speak to us about the album that you're working on. What's the title of that, and when can we expect a release of it?
The name of the album, I ain't really decided the name yet, because
So
I
it's
was
still in the
thinking about
pipeline.
my life, but I don't know.
I was going to ask as well, how is it that you do your choosing of your titles and the beats that you work with? Do you just
That's something I like doing.
talk to us about the format and the reasoning behind it?
Top Boss is just because my brethren said to just call it Top Boss. That's the reason I call it Top Boss.
Full stop.
But I would have called it First Class.
Okay.
Son, I like to choose the name of the songs by not putting. Most artists, when they write a song, they normally give the name of the song a topic or a
Yeah,
line
yeah.
that's in
Okay,
the
yeah,
song.
yeah.
I never like to do that.
Okay.
I think if I do a song, I don't want to call it Top Boss. I want to call it Flawless or something.
Something different.
Something different. So when I go and interview, like, why not call it Top Boss but Flawless? It's
Yeah,
just
yeah,
different.
Yeah, but
And that's
that-
just you.
That's kind of a good marketing skill as well, because if I sing about, basically most people sing about the same kind of thing: girl, money,
Yeah.
flossing,
Weed,
power, weed,
Everything.
badness. Most of them, certain words, if you type in, you're gonna get like 20, 30 top songs
Of the
come up.
same topic.
If you name
right.
it different, it's gonna narrow that down maybe to 5.
Yeah, yeah.
So sometimes you're looking for a song and you type it in on Spotify. It's a 20 song of the same name.
My brother don't get it though. He's like, yo, no, bro, you need to name it. I'm like, nah, bro.
It's different. It's different.
It has to be different. I don't know.
It has to be something close to the concept of what the
something
song
close
is.
to something close to
yeah.
it, but it's just
You don't have to be a line.
like even if I say elegant, the song
could
is talking
still-
about a lot of things. So that
you could
does
choose
evolve around the
whichever
song,
one.
yeah.
Right,
So,
right.
that's
You
what I
could
like to
choose
do
whichever
still.
one.
I like to change, just name it a bit different than what it is.
Okay. So what else can we expect? Well, that's a lot of work for you to be doing. So what else other than the album and the EP can we look forward to from Crossblood?
Well, the Culver thing. I'm just waiting for the
Kinda
Culver thing to
free up.
Yeah.
Is it that you were booked for
I
shows
was
and
meant to go Uganda.
see
I was meant to go what's that?
couple places?
Nigeria. You know what I mean? I didn't get to go because of COVID thing.
So is it that you have a large fan base in?
Yeah, I got a large fan base over
Africa.
them sides.
And it's
Especially Germany, France, and some even countries I've never heard of.
And it's growing.
Yeah.
Well,
like,
that means you're putting in
growing.
some good work.
We know that Germany accept dance and reggae music
Yeah.
quite well.
yeah.
So
Even Jamaica, I was meant to go Jamaica as well. Jamaica is a bit hard to please, though. I ain't even gonna lie though. I know people are gonna bug me for saying that because you know what I mean, but I have to talk the truth, innit?
it's not about how to please. Like if you can do it in Jamaica, that means you can do it
You
anywhere.
You can do it
Anywhere.
anyway, but you know what it is? I feel like with my people, it's a bit harder because they intend to go a bit more. I don't know. It's like talent nowadays is not talent for them.
Meaning, like, what do you mean by that? Like, could you explain?
All
that?
right. So, all right. It's like I know some people might say, "Nah, man, he's bad." Man. It's not even bad. Like I sat down the other day and I heard something on the computer.
Yeah.
There was a song called what did you say? I said to my brother, "Yeah, he's talented, you know, but I don't like that gimmick thing." It's like it's like now turning the music into a gimmick thing. So if you're not doing certain gimmick thing, no matter how good your music is, no matter how talented you are, it's just. I heard something go passion weng
Passion
weng,
weng
Pushing
weng.
wing.
Yeah.
pishing weng weng.
Yeah.
I'm like, bro, how can I have songs like Top Boss, songs like
Yeah.
these, and man's talking about passion weng weng?
No. So you have to understand the whole
You have to
concept
understand the
behind it because
No, man.
if you really listen to this song and listen what he's talking about. So basically, he's talking about, you know, normally a man say film gonna go po.
I know.
All right. So just like
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
a man could use him creative side and say like how Carter say 1 in 9 head, you know, the studio engineer put in 2 gunshot, pam 1 in 9 head. But this man decides, say, all right,
He's
I'm
gonna
gonna use something creative,
Yeah.
make people laugh. We capture the humor,
And
the
which
crowd,
they can relate to as
and
well.
and then
Yeah.
that drawing the people to listen to him talent.
And then
I mean, what you say like
and
it's a gimmick.
and
Wait.
that's a personal preference
but-
anyway.
It worked for him. Because now people say him have talent, and people say yo,
No, he
he's
does have
he's an
talent.
artist outside of the little
The
passion when
gimmicks, yeah,
gimmicks.
yeah,
He
you
does
can't
have
Because
talent.
obviously after probably next week when I hear nothing about it, because that's how
One hit
social
wonder.
media go.
That's what it go, but that's what I'm saying. You know what it is? That's what I'm saying though. It's like passion weng weng.
Yeah,
But what are you gonna say after passion weng weng? Because remember, you're not doing it now. No, I'm not. All right, when I hear it, I hear the passion weng weng. Then I hear the vocals of what he's saying. I say, okay, cool. He's got good vocals.
Yeah.
He's got good lyrics.
Yeah.
yeah.
Don't lose yourself with. I understand what you're doing. You're trying to, you know what I mean? Because that's
yeah.
how it is in Jamaica, innit?
Yeah.
Passion, like, don't lose yourself, bro. Let people see you for you. Listen
Yeah.
to you for you. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That was the only problem that I had.
Yeah, but,
hopefully he will hear your advice. But I
no.
mean, everybody's different.
No, in this world and in this business, right? A lot of people would have died for his, we call it, a week of trending,
Yeah, that's
or his 2 week of trending, because a lot of young artists
Are
through
putting
them
in
whole
work.
career
Yeah.
gonna never have that
Yeah.
spotlight that he have now. So it's up to him as an artist
To use
That's
it
true.
to use
to
that
his
spotlight,
advantage.
because think about it. If you get like say Jamaica, England, everybody I check out your thing for like 2 weeks, and you look in your catalog and say, yo, I must can get them even like 2 or 3 songs for that 2 week, right? You flood people with it. If you don't use up your time to make hay while the sun shines, it's your fault.
Yeah, that's true.
So now we should look at him and say, yo, him have talent, but where am I go? Because now people look at him as what you call it, one of them social media joker.
That's what I was upset about. I said when I hear it, I hear the vocals, I hear the bars, and I said, he's got good bars, got good vocal pattern, but everyone's gonna be looking at it like, yeah.
But it help a lot of people in Jamaica. You know, 'cause look at Gully Bop. Look at all right. This even the worst one. Guess who I compared it? You know this chick Amari.
Do not.
Yeah.
You know what?
Look at her,
You know
and then she find this song, the Nico mash up her life.
But
and
you know what?
okay.
Though? You know what though? I think the song that Amari sing, Nico Mash Up Our Life, is a better song for Passion Wing Wing.
Nah, man.
It is. I think so.
On what level? Hold on what level? Because it could not be vocals level.
It's not vocals.
No vocal, no lyrics, no
it's not vocals. It's direct. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
What she's singing about is direct.
But he's singing something that's direct. Only thing is that he's put in the Pishing Wing Wing.
Only thing is changing the gun sound to a Passion Wing Wing.
Let me ask you this. How much word can you remember out of Amari's song?
Nico mash up my life.
Nico Mash Up My Life.
Yeah.
And what else?
And sit down there with a little old drunk. That's it.
All right. So you can remember at least 4 to 5 lines, right?
4 to 5 line, a word that, you know.
Yeah, that's words. Yeah.
No,
mash up my life.
That's 5.
Little drunko.
Yeah. So that's 7. Yeah. That's 7. How? I know you can must remember more than that.
All right.
I do.
How much word? How much?
Now Passion Wing Wing.
Passion Wing Wing.
Make up break it down now. Passion.
Where?
Wing.
Wing. Yeah. What?
You have one next wing or a 3 wing.
See?
Passion Wing Wing and he say sit and fly through your face. one in a something out of that. You know. Passion Wing Wing. All right.
That's why. All right. You know what? I've noticed in music while learning music.
Yeah.
If I see how you like top bars, you love top bars, so you know it, yeah.
Yeah.
If someone can't listen to your song
Uh-huh.
and even remember 5 to 6 lines of your song, bro,
Why song no good? You know, I would Vice Cartel song me like I remember no I line them.
you don't have to remember, but you know it though.
But
someone
tell
says
it
that
all-
you're wrong on that.
tell you all music is set up now. You know, the other day, yeah. Which song was it? I was singing that song wrong all of my life.
The Dexter Daps one.
You may I go through life and sing a song wrong, right through.
Right through like that.
Until you know when you know sometimes you do read the lyrics and you say, that him that say.
Yeah.
And all of my life me I sing it wrong. So I'm just telling you, say sometime in life we do think we hear something.
Yeah.
You never see this thing with Sean Paul when he was saying the words and songs.
All Richie Spice
So
good.
that's what I'm saying. People will like your song on the flow and the beat, and them say, you know, you have a nice little ring to it.
Yep.
Yeah,
But
we should,
really and truly, subconsciously,
Yeah.
nobody not give a damn about the words. Because a lot of song is like 2 words. All right, look at Rihanna song. Where you remember what time when I work?
Send me if you work.
No, if you remember more, tell me, you know.
Send me do my that.
If you remember more than that, you know.
It's not even a word.
But it was a massive hit song. That's how music is funny.
You know what it is? I remember it, but I don't pay attention to it like that anymore.
No, you can't sing no more.
When it just came out, yeah, it was alright. For me,
yeah.
I'm more listening to jazz or blues. I mean, I will listen to it like once and then that's about it.
Yeah, but you have some music, some song where people digest differently. Like you will know it religiously.
Yeah,
You can sing it from back to front, side to back.
And
Yeah.
And then some of them is like,
Some of them, what I call it, the beat and the melody is more attractive than what the person is saying.
yeah.
Yeah. Just like, when I come like sometime. Do you know Gold God?
Yeah, I know.
All right. We are watch Gold God, but we don't give a fuck what you want to say, you know. Nobody not care what you want to chat say over this. You know what go on.
Yeah.
We don't care what you want to talk to.
Jaja.
All if you say, yo, that man have a name some, you give him some money, you know. Somebody give some money. You don't hear that.
Oh,
Yeah.
do.
But you know what I say go, but moving forward now, you say you have the album going to release soon.
Yeah.
So and we still in a lockdown a little bit. Or you decide your target market to get your fair share clout on the album.
I wanted to target the Spanish market
Okay.
because I have a lot of features of Spanish artists.
Okay.
I've just never released them.
That's a clever
That's a
idea.
very good, very, very good
So
idea.
That's a road that I wanted to try and take.
Yeah.
Because since recently, you know, I've been kind of liking the little reggaeton music because people and have an understanding of basically dancehall music, you know.
Yeah,
it
just in
is.
a different
The
method.
riff and all that.
He even said reggae because it was based off the
Yeah, reggae.
Sly and Robbie rhythm, Bam Bam.
Yeah.
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 So most of it, he have that little jump pattern there. So if you want to talk, I think that's a wide master.
It's just it's mixed with a lot of things, even soca. Soca's in it as well. Yeah.
So we can look for a versatile project coming from you.
I got something with Rally Banks. He didn't. I don't think he finished his verse, but I didn't get the song yet. I was gonna put the song in there so you could get it.
Yeah.
But he didn't send it over to me yet. So.
No worries. You have our email address and you normally bomb rush thing, which we don't mind. So whenever it is ready, you send it over.
I know you lot got the Mac. You get me.
Yeah.
I know people that they got the Mac them up.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? So you don't know they got bare memories.
So right about now, we've reached a special part of our show. I don't know if you've been watching our interviews, even though you've been, bleaching on the Instagram. So we're at a very special part of our show where I'm going to hand it over to Dragon All Star, and this is going to be between you and you.
You are going now. Fling down some rhythm, you fling down some bar, right? Alright, let's start it out here.
You're not for all back, swearing is accepted as well, see me?
Old school style, ready?
But this and the realest and them know this. Not take bad up youth, not take disrespect. Things shoot like a spaceship. Take a boy, you will get vanished. Me think hot, like something what you cooking in the kitchen. Them said them bad on me, wish part weirdo. Style bad boy and tight like a Kenro. Cold like ice like me come from the North Pole. Lyrically, physically, them no bother thought not really. Squeeze chicken my bro. Them said them bad we can't see it in ya. Shatter biting at them skin like Dracula. Bullet a spinning at them brain like propeller. Them can't touch my style. Me born mad and wild. My tune biting at them ears dog. Crocodile slapping at them parade. One in at them left eye. Clean them a gangster. No, them want a side. Them want this. Yeah, you. I changed it up. Mad thing.
KK on the beats.
My cousin move an ounce of Z and a kilo. Fuck what these niggas say, my niggas move when I say so. Shooters on the right and shooters on the left. I'm gunning the whip dog so you know how the thing go. Sipping on the Henny, sipping on the yak. Bad girls in the flat, know where the kid be at. Man wanna rob man, no go. Man wanna shoot man, no go. Dog I ain't Tupac and Biggie dog, I'ma die dog when I say so. I fuck niggas. We got that 9 tuck, bitch open the mouth, forget my. Wake up like 6 in the morning. Bad bitches, giving that bad brain and pop up in the mouth like champagne. Talk about beef man cooking. Fuck nigga, yeah dog man, chef in the kitchen. Nice with that.
Now give me that Spanish song there now.
Yo, I go on. On the flame, you know the thing going about God. Yo, out here. You see it, pray. Yo, she come in my room and then she ready for the thing. Put up on the bed, the man does ice up the thing. The way she whine, sharp like a bug, while your pussy rotate palm my cock like a car tire. Ass big like a plasma. And the way the girl wine me say she can't have asthma. Ass spin like a CD. And the way the body bounce when I see it in a 3D. Wine like a gypsy, wine like American, wine like a Cuban, wine like Jamaican. Wine like a African, girl me say the thing mad. Wine like a go-go, boom fast and boom slow. Sit down for me, on your mark, let's go. Boom boom a spin, girl a get daggering. So come here girl, cause you know that you have no muggling. Stiff cock, yeah, make a girl start staggering. The way you wine, girl, you tear down the fucking place. Body fat like a earthquake, shake up the place. Flossy, shine like a pepper light. Body fat round, girl, slap it up the way you like. Move slow like a pony. Body fat, pussy tight, girl, come show me. Fling it up like me company.
See you know. People even just joining us, that was Crossblood. I fling down some 1s and 2, you know what's going on, man. Full of style, you know.
Here I go on. I do it like this. Yo, you forget fuck until you pass out. Something long in your belly make you scream out. Come here then girl, yes, come me go all out. So when you get knocked, my name you go scream out. So wine till you can't wine no more. Pussy tight girl, split touch the floor. Sit down pon the cocky till the pum pum sore. Yeah, girl, we a go fuck you some more. You don't have body the youth. Kick it out. Shot a beat in at the head like the sound on a guitar. Pussy child run dog was scoping from far. Shot out him head like a shooting star. Lick a boy, me say you soon start the war, them want fi. Want me dogs, them don't know them can't win. Bullet big, biting a skin dust like a gremlin. Me dog them, mother than a blood clocking thing. So in a war, me no fight kung fu, cause me have to win. Take out me 3-star, ram it in a boy chin. Me have gun, bigger than them whole body. So when me murder people, you me not tell them other sorry. Find them stinking body na the shit pit. Scream to the feds, murder that bitch, re sick. No say me mad bum, but clarions re sick. So me no fire one pop dog, me boss big stick. Never me tell them to make the boy bullet bust. Spit a boy in a tree off. Me a go murder the whole of them. So you know say your blood bad. Cause none of them pussy I can't step in on my zone. Watch ya. I know Harry Potter, I know Home Alone. Leave the thief alone. I know the evil. Mother than the Lord evil. In a war, transform like a Godzilla. In a war, never know some man a real born killer. Bust out them head man a real born stinger. I know Michael Jackson in a tree.
Level selector. We talk about flow, we talk about lyrics, talk about style, talk about the man with them called Crossblood.
One flame man, you know.
One flame. The place nearly catch a fire idea.
So whenever you get a chance to ask this question,
Yeah.
Jaja.
that name Crossblood, where you forward from?
Good question. Let's think about it.
Repeat it again.
for real.
Repeat it again.
What,
Repeat it
how,
again.
That
oh,
name Crossblood, where you forward from? Cause you know, we whole heap of blood, but we just never hear Crossblood.
Crossblood, the name.
yes.
My brothers have changed it, so we went for a name that was gonna mean something. So the name Crossblood means not to be controlled, basically.
So it's more like bad blood.
No, it's not bad blood. It's
No, it's not like
it's
a feud.
You know, it's an African thing.
Oh, is it?
It means not to be controlled. Like it's just like know who you are, basically. I know it has the blood in it, like cross and so I'm
Cross,
saying,
you know,
but it
like
just means
angry
not to
cross.
be controlled. That's what I'm saying. Even though I'm always cross, though, I'm always, you know what I mean. But yeah.
Jaja.
Nerd.
No, I'm a nice person, but I'm quick to kind of slap someone if someone talk rubbish.
Yeah.
Or someone's in my
Remember,
face.
man
like-
get expelled the first day.
Yeah.
First day, you know.
so yeah, they that's how
Careful.
that's how the name came up.
Careful.
Yeah.
Right.
I'm calm now. I'm not.
Do you just slap? Are you and them still link?
Moving right along. Silent.
Nah. Definitely not, bro. Nah.
Moving right along. Ladies and
Jaja.
gentlemen, that was Crossblood in our studio, in our hot seat. Before you go, can you give us some social media details, please?
Social media.
Yeah.
Twitter, it's Crossblood X Blood _ and Instagram is Crossblood _ one flame. And Facebook, I think it's Crossblood on Facebook.
Crossblood on Facebook.
Yeah.
Well, as
I
we say,
think all the platforms.
It's Crossblood.
type it up, Google
Yeah.
it must
Just-
pop up.
You don't know people, and if you're on the gram, member,
I'm always like,
log on over there. It's Crossblood TV. You don't know.
trust me.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it is. It's Crossblood.
So if you want, you want to go and you know it, that's a first. 'Cause
Yes.
remember, you know, some of them songs they're not even ready, you know.
Not yet, but guess what? Anybody who is on his live
You
normally
can
gets a
hear
peek.
one, two line when
Yes.
some of them sung there sometime.
He gives us tasters once
Focus. Be focused.
I do
yeah,
give
alright.
a lot of I do give a lot of tasters though. I do.
Yeah, you do. That's what I'm
Yeah,
saying.
they give
If
a
you
lot of
want to
tastes.
hear, if you want to hear some of the music that will be featured
Yeah.
on either the big project or the little
Don't
project.
know.
No,
Just-
where I'm from though, I wanted you to hear that though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where I'm from.
Yeah, where
Yeah.
I'm from.
Or yourself, man. Me a drop
I
it.
want you to
You
hear
know
that.
what the thing go.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
So
that big up dangles and up on the live. What go on?
big of yourself, Dangles. Thank you for passing through Crossblood. We're looking forward to the rest of your album. I mean,
I know you're gonna love it. I know
Keep
you're not
sending
gonna-
the tracks.
I know you're not
We're
gonna
here
love it.
to
You're not gonna love
support.
it.
Yeah,
You're gonna love it.
keep up the great work.
You're gonna love
Blessings,
it
brother.
still.
Blessings. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Upnlive show. We're here every Tuesday between 9 and 11, sponsored by Shish Prince. We're produced by World Mag. We had Crossblood in our hot seat that was talking to us about his upcoming, well, the EP is going to be out fully tomorrow, called Born to Win. Our favorite song is Top Boy, so check it out. whenever you get a chance. Top Boss. Sorry.
Boss.
My God, on Netflix.
Top boy, you know.
Top boy, yeah,
My
go.
God, straight Netflix a while ago.
So Netflix and
Shut
chill,
up.
bro.
Yo, we have big man out here. You know.
Sorry.
Careful, you know.
My apologies. It's Top Boss, right? Make sure that you go over. The songs are very cheap, so it, as Dragon said, cheaper than the vaccine. We're forward up for £18. Go over, go support that.
Them say a £3 for the one from up so. Sang cheaper and
It's
£3.
it's still cheaper than that.
It's
Still
cheap,
cheaper.
man. It's cheap.
Sang
I
cheap.
made it
Support it,
so
man.
people can
Yeah.
afford it.
Yes.
You know what I mean? So, yeah.
Agreed.
Alright.
So
Definitely.
we're gonna drop some music and go on all the vibe. This is
Yo,
we have
Pablo.
17 minutes to the hour of 11 o'clock. Go on all the vibe with me.